Hey guys, it's me again with another Canva tutorial. For this tutorial is how do we colorize a black and white image. So for example, we can just create a thumbnail here and maybe we can get a black and white image persons from before. So for example is city. Let's see. So here we have this black and white. We just press save the image, then we go to Canva. And here we just drag the image to the screen. So how do we colorize this black and image? That's why we have Canva AI applications. Press on the image, press edit, we go to applications or the apps here. Then we just search colorize. So here we can see that colorize image. Just select open. Now it's black and white. We just press colorize and replace. So the AI will automatically colorize these images for you guys. So it will take like 43 seconds. So there we are. The image is colorized perfectly by the AI and Canva. So how good it is, right? It's very nice. So that's how you colorize some images here in Canva. Once again, thank you for watching this video. We hope you like and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell button for more Canva tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.